Okay, this is the Fix Your Own Stuff series. So usually manufacturers and makers make their machetes on the soft side because it's easier to fix a roll or a flat on the edge in the woods and than it is to fix a big diamond chip that's chipped out of your edge. Okay, here we go. I'll shoot for this area right here. It's already flatted. Okay. Now, I don't know if you, yeah, you can see that. I can see it on there. See that sort of irregular reflection right here? That's a flatted area of the edge. So the two tools that I start out with or use is a file, and you can keep a small one. This is overly large because I'm in my shop. You can keep a small file in your pack, no problem. If you got room for matches, you got room for a small file, or if you carry a Leatherman with a file on it, that'll work too. And also this DC3 fall niven stone. Take my file and run lightly over. You don't need to remove a lot of metal. You're not trying to cut a keyway slot in this. Just nice, long, light strokes down the edge. Now this has a convex edge, so I'll want to round it just a little bit if I can. If not, it's not a big deal. The natural movement in your hand is going to round it anyway. You'll never get a perfect flat. So basically my goal here is to get the burr off of these edges where the edge is say here, and now the very edge is canted just to the side. So there's a burr there if you feel with your hand on the side of the knife blade itself. Now, in all honesty, if I had a chip like this in the field, I'd just wait till I got home to fix it. It's not a big deal. Okay, so I feel along the edge there to see if I have all the burrs off, which I do. So now, I can go to this side of the stone. I can't remember which one is fine and which one is rough. It doesn't matter. Use whichever and see how it works. So same thing, just like with the file, only now I can somewhat slide along easier. Now I'm getting farther up on the edge, right? So I'm trying to make this edge come to to what it used to be, which is a fine point. Now I'll switch to the other side, see how that works. Okay, now there's still a little bit of a burr there, or a little bit of a flat spot there, I think. It's hard to find, but as you can see, that's a good thing. That's hard to find. This knife right here is good to go. So a file and a stone, and you're good to go. If you have some sandpaper in your pack or whatever your preferred sharpening method is, then you can go to that after these repairs. Mainly, learn how to fix your gear, and you'll be more self-sufficient. And I'd say, if I had to guess, that's one of the major driving factors that most of us learn the bushcraft techniques, survival techniques, and things like that. So I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.